battle at Primm. It's the first Snore race of the season. This is the first year that we're going to be running the entire Snore series. Haven't had a lot of luck here at Primm. We're hoping that today Mark's going to go out there and do a time trial run that he's saying he's going to win or die trying. So we'll find out shortly where our start position will be. Let's hope he doesn't get too hairy.
It's 2 days. So each day is a 5-lap race. It was a 12-mile course.
12-mile course.
So it's just 60 miles.
You know, just try to go fast, fast, fast. It looks like a fast course. It's also the court track is kind of fun. I think we only get about 2 or 3 turns in there though, but that's pretty fun. It rained last year, and it got pretty darn slippery. It really started sliding around. So that'll be a factor. The mud, you know, spraying up in your visor, it can be an issue just kind of keeping your visibility. It's that kind of makes it just fun too, you know. Sounds good. Sounds fast. Who's in there? Maybe they should drive.
Check 68. Yeah, I got you loud and clear. Copy that. 3, 2, 1, go. We're all clear, Mark. Got
Time trial app was all right. I think we did pretty good. I mean, we're fast when you could go fast for sure. The core track part was all right. Seemed like we're pretty smooth. We're a little concerned about it after practice lap. We almost put it on the nose once or twice. This course is mostly like go straight, you know, at 120, and then slow down enough to make a right turn, and then go straight again. You know, that's kind of what it's like. You know, we do that over and over.
It's really flat and fast. There's very few dangers. There's a couple of gnarly corners here and there, but other than that, it should be a really fast race.
I don't think there's anything that's all that frightening here. All this stuff looks pretty safe. It's just that last kicker and that little lump, and everything else is just friendly, like no real dangers.
I think the trickiest part of the whole course would be, like you said, that those big tabletops and stuff coming into that infield. But it's really, really high speed and then just sharp corners. So it's just setting up for the corners fast enough to where we don't blow them, you know.
A lot of the turns are pretty friendly if you ended up blowing outside of them or going inside, you know, if you don't just stay exactly in it, yeah, then they look pretty. There's only 1 or 2 where you'd be really sad if you really blew it out. But sometimes there are. Sometimes you just have to stay in the track, otherwise you're going to hit rocks and other crap that would be bad, you know. So
if we see any tourists, we'll be sure to stop and pick them up, and I'll carry them, I'll hold them until we get back.
52 degrees right now currently in the fabulous city of Las Vegas. With the windshield going, it's probably about 43 degrees, but the only heat that's going to be generated is the excitement by the driver and co-driver, Mark and Jordan, as they go out there and tear up this desert racing course.
Where are you guys lined up at? What row? Second row, inside. Copy that. It sounds like a good place to be. Let's hammer down. Go, go, go. Left hand turn, 90 left. Go, straight. Straight. Got 90 right. Just test it a little bit. came up kind of fast. Yep, you're good. Drive. Straight away. 45, drive through it. That was hard. Rip this wheel out of me. Good, inside. Let's get to this clean. There.
Battle of Primm Day 1, we think that Mark's probably 4th or 5th in this race. Everything seemed to go pretty well with the truck. Seemed like they ran pretty good. Pretty stiff competition out there today. It looked like everyone was running real fast. Hopefully tomorrow it'll be similar conditions if the weather can hold up. It'd be nice to not have rain, but judging by the sky behind me, we might be getting some tonight.
The last lap, kind of figured out the second corner, which I had a lot of trouble on every single time. But then that's also where I spun out on the next one. Qualifying, went through there, no problem.
Yeah, totally different course, qualifying.
I don't know. Somebody's saying the brakes are a little out of whack. Strategy's kind of drive like yesterday, except smoother. Just kind of the same. Get around the course with as little mayhem as possible. You know, the stuff is getting really big and deep, and you know, a little bit of wet here and make it kind of heavier. So you're just gonna have to be careful to keep it on its wheels. You know, just try not to blow anything. If the blow anything, that really costs a lot of time.
So we'll see. It's gonna be intense. So they did really well yesterday. Hopefully he can get it going a little faster. You know, Rage of the River, he definitely went a lot faster day 2, and he had clear air there. Hopefully he'll be able to lay the wood today and come away with a good result.
One minute to start. You ready to do some or what?
Yeah, man. Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. We got him in this corner. Take your line. Get outside.
Wow.
Yeah, you got to get him in here. Go. 45 with big holes, okay? Copy. Go get him. All good.
You're doing good. You're making up time, Jordan.
Good copy. Attaboy, Mark. You're putting time on him. Let's go. Let's be smarter here, Mark. Last lap. I want you to get way inside here. 45 left. Go, Marker, drive through it, let's go. Nice and easy through here, bud. So we turn 68 clearing, race mile 10, 1-0, all good. Mark, we gotta put 5 seconds on for the win. 5 right, drive through it. Go, Mark.
Yeah.
Hey.
Very nice. Woo! That was fun.
I'm looking at the sheets right here, and there's a 9-second differential for today between the 28 and the 68. So great job by both drivers. Steve Olligan, Jonathan Swift yesterday, and Mark Ewing out here doing a great job for Riot Racing, putting on a great show out here. And these guys first and second at the battle at the Prim.
Good day. It was pretty clean racing all the way around. No big mistakes like yesterday, and less dust as we were in the third spot from the get-go, and so you're not in a pile of dust. It was still dusty. It wasn't as windy today as yesterday, so it's still pretty dusty, but it wasn't like yesterday.
First today by 9 seconds, and then we missed the win for the weekend by 80 seconds.
Real close to a first win. Second place result, as far as running in this series, is a really good result. So for us, compared to the start that we had at Parker, I think this is a really good race.
That road along the tracks there?
Oh, once you leave here? Oh my God, that thing got brutal.
Fourth and fifth lap, we really hammered down. Fifth lap was probably our fastest for sure. So, of course, got super chewed up. We're ready to go for the minute. It's a good day.
We'd like to get that first win. That would really put the cherry on the top for everyone, and we can just build on that. So we're all looking forward to that moment where we can say we won a race.
Riot World Domination.